Today we will read another story about what happens in the fall. What animal do you see in the picture? That's right, this animal works hard in the fall to get ready for the cold. What do you think this animal does? What do you see him doing in the picture? Yes, that's right. Later we will use the new words and skills we learned to read about what this animal does in the fall. But first, we're going to play Chant and Cheer. I'm going to be the caller, and I'm going to ask for a letter. I'm going to say, give me a letter, and you're going to echo that letter. Then you are going to tell me what word it spells when I say, what does that spell? Okay, and then after you tell me what it spells, we're going to say 3 cheers for blank, whatever that word is. All right, so let's practice one. If I say, give me an A, you say A. If I say, give me a G, you say G. If I say, give me another A, you say A. If I say, give me an I, you say I. If I say, give me an N, you say N. What does that spell? Again. 3 cheers for again. Very good. All right, so you ready? Good. Give me an F. Give me an A. Give me an L. Give me another L. What does that spell? Fall. 3 cheers for fall. Give me a O. Give me a R. What does that spell? Or. 3 cheers for or. Give me a B. Give me an E. Give me a C. Give me an A. Give me a U. Give me a S. Give me a E. What does that spell? Because. 3 cheers for because. Give me an A. Give me a W. Give me another A. Give me a Y. What's that spell? Away. 3 cheers for away. Give me an F. Give me a U. Give me an L. Give me another L. What does that spell? Full. 3 cheers for full. Give me a C. Give me an O. Give me an L. Give me a D. What does that spell? Cold. 3 cheers for cold. Give me a P. Give me an R. Give me an E. Give me a T. Give me another T. Give me a Y. What does that spell? Pretty. 3 cheers for pretty. Good job, boys and girls. Now we are going to practice saying a new word by adding a sound to a word. Some of the new words you will say will match one of the pictures on the screen. Raise your hand when you see a picture match. I'll do the first one. The word is lap. Now I'll add k at the beginning. The new word is clap. I raise my hand because I see a picture that matches the word clap. Okay, so the next word is lied, and I'm going to add s to the beginning of lied. What's the word? Slide. Is there a picture? Then raise your hand if you see a picture matched for slide. All right. Now the word is lake. And I'm going to add f to the beginning. The new word is flake. Raise your hand if you see a picture that matches the word flake. The new word is lamb. And now I add s to the beginning of lamb. The new word is slam. Is there a picture to match the word slam? No, so you should not be raising your hand. What about, the word is lick. Now I add s to the beginning. The new word is slick. Do I raise my hand? Is there a picture that matches the word slick? No, there is not. All right, what about this word, bite? Now I'm going to add right after the b. The new word is bright. Is there a picture that matches the word bright? Yes, there is. You should be raising your hand. Well done. Those were tricky. Let's make and read some compound words. A compound word is two words put together to make a brand new word. Look at these two pictures and words. The picture on the left is sun. Now look at the word below it. Let's blend the word together. Sun. The picture on the right is dress. Now look at the word below it. Let's blend the word together. Dress. Now, if I put the words sun and dress together, I make the word sundress. Read this word with me. Sundress. A sundress is a dress that people wear in the sun to keep cool. Sundress is a compound word because it has two separate words put together to make a word. Who can tell me what those two words are? Sun and dress. Correct. All right, the picture is a zigzag line. We learned that in science. Zigzag is a compound word that is made up of two smaller words. Who can tell me what are the two words that make up the word zigzag? Good, they are zig and zag. Very good. Now let's blend some compound words. We're going to blend the letters in each base word in line 1 to read a compound word. In the first base word, the first letters are ch. Let's slide over to the next letter in line 2. Let's blend the two sounds. Ch, che. Now let's slide over the next letters in line 3. CK says k. Now we have our first base word. Ch, k. What's the word? Check. Now let's blend the next base word in line 4. I see one vowel followed by a consonant, so I will use the short vowel sound P. Now when I slide over the next letter in the second base word, I get the word up. Up. Read it with me. Up. Now let's connect our two base words together to make the compound word. Check up. Check up. Now you are ready to read fetch, dash, and dig, and red, red sunset. But first, let's take our spelling test. I will say a word in a sentence that uses that word. Listen carefully and use your best handwriting to write the word I say. Remember that there is not going to be a page with the words spelled correctly for you. You are going to have to do the best you can to write the sounds you hear. If you need to pause the video to go get your journal, please do that now. If you are ready to begin, you need to write number 1 on your paper, and here is your word. Jump. Horses jump over the fence. Jump. Just kidding. Don't write that word. Erase that word. I have a different word I want you to write. The word is drip. The faucets drip water. D-R-I-P. Drip. Number 2. Trap. T-R-A-P. Trap. Number 3. Drum. She beats the drum. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Number 4. Trip. We took a trip to the city. T-R-I-P. Trip. Number 5. Grin. Her grin shows she is happy. G-R-I-N. Grin. Number 6. Scrub. He will scrub the dirty sink. S-C-R-U-B. Scrub. Number 7. Flap. The birds flap their wings. F-L-A-P. Flap. Number 8 is clap. We clap for the singer. K-L-A-P. Clap. Number 9. Sled. Riding on a sled is fun. S-O-E-D. Sled. Number 10 is club. I joined the dance club. K-L-U-B. Club. And that is it for today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Make sure you take a picture and turn it in to your teacher. Bye.